Hey y'all, got a 2012 Infiniti M37. We bought this thing, it only had 17,000 miles on it. Now it's got I think like 172,000. A lot of miles on it. Runs great. It's a good car. But I changed all the brakes about a month ago, rotors, pads, and well, it just started like kind of grinding again. Like when I'm hitting the brakes, I'm like, what the hell is it doing? Why is it grinding? Go out and I look, and the rotors don't have any kind of gouges in them. They look fine. I didn't see the inside. I saw the outside. I haven't taken it apart yet. Trying to figure out what the problem is. So here, if you would look and see, rotors still look new. Let's take it for a ride and see what it sounds like. Yeah, almost 173. Put some miles on this old girl. Alright, let's see if we can hear this thing make the noise. Get up to about 40. Man, it's a beautiful day out today. It's funny I'm not hearing it. I wasn't hearing that. It kind of goes away. And then it comes back, like when it heats up or something. Because it's 60 degrees out right now. And I just started driving it, so it's cold. Alright, it's not making the noise. So to understand the noise, it's kind of like this Infiniti's riding on 44-inch boggers. You know that sound and that feeling in your steering wheel. It feels like that, but for some reason it's not doing it right now. It stopped doing it yesterday too when I was driving it for a while. Then it came on and it started making that noise and sound and that feeling in the steering wheel. But I'm gonna pull it apart and see what we can find out. All right, so I got both sides lifted up. Just noticing there's a ton of brake debris of some sort on these rims. Look at this. I don't know if that's brake or if that's... It's not really oily. Have to figure that out. That's probably what the problem is. But that's not true because the backs have it too. It's just crappy freaking brake pads. Alright, so hope you like my cardboard slab. So let's see, I'm shaking it, but it feels fine. Spinning it sounds normal. Could be just a little bit of brake drag, but just pull this tire off and see what's going on. Seems fine to me. Take this side off, see what it looks like. On the driver's side, I was lucky enough to run over some dog crap. So that smells great. Thank you, dogs. Everything looks good on this side too. I'm gonna just, I guess I'll take these calipers off to see if the noise is still there. Maybe the noise will go away from the brake drag. See, brand new brake pads. Ooh. Oh. Why did that sound so bad? Damn it. Let me take this rotor off now. Sound too bad. Alright, let me take the rotor off. It feels a little odd. 172,000 miles, 173,000, it's probably due. Just to recap on this Infiniti, I went ahead and ordered the bearing for the driver's front. Playing around with those little metal tabs, and I kind of bent them away. They were actually touching the rotor, so but as I put everything back together, drove it a little bit, I haven't heard that noise at all. I put another 1,000 miles on it, but at least I got a bearing when I do have one go out. So let me show you those tabs I'm talking about. Sunrise out in the old farm, cows out there. Those little tabs right there. So I'm gonna keep driving it until it breaks. But just to let you guys know that I went ahead and I think what fixed it was moving those metal tabs, and maybe it's getting hot and the heat expands and gets it closer to the tab, and then once it's expanded, it hits the tab, and that's the noise I was hearing. I think that's what it was. So, thank you. Have a good day.